What exactly is data science?
Good starting point.
Well, think of it as a mix. It pulls together a few different things. You need stats, like a good handle on numbers.
Yeah.
You need some tech skills programming comes into play. And this is crucial. You need to understand the actual subject you're working with.
Domain knowledge, they call
Right.
it. Like healthcare or finance or whatever the data is about.
Precisely. Because you could have amazing tech skills, but if you
Yeah.
don't get the context, the business problem.
You won't know what questions to ask
Yeah.
or what the answers even mean.
Exactly. You need that domain knowledge to ask the right questions. The whole point is analyzing often complex data to spot patterns, trends,
Hmm.
basically find insights that help make smarter decisions.
Got it. So it's finding the important stuff in all the noise, but guided by what you actually need to know. The force breaks it down into key parts, right? Where does the process usually begin?
It kicks off with data collection. Step one is just gathering the raw material.
From wherever it might be, databases, websites, spreadsheets.
Sensors, social media.
Yeah.
Yeah, anywhere it lives.
Okay, so you've gathered this pile of data. Is it usually like ready to go, neat and tidy?
Uh, Almost never. Which leads straight into the next step. And honestly, this often takes up a huge chunk of time. Data cleaning.
Ah, dealing with the mess.
Totally. Finding errors, handling values that are missing, getting rid of duplicates, making sure formats are consistent. Well, it's essential.
Because if you skip that or do a poor job,
Garbage in, garbage out, your analysis will be useless or worse, misleading.
makes perfect sense. Okay, so data's collected, it's cleaned. What's next?
Then you get into the data analysis phase. This is more exploratory.
Looking around, seeing what's there.
Yeah, you start exploring the data, maybe visualizing it, looking for initial trends, relationships between different bits of data, just trying to get a feel for it.
And this exploration, does it feed into the more complex stuff like machine learning?
It often does. Machine learning is another key component. Here, you use that data to train models.
Models,
Yeah,
like algorithms or systems.
kind of. Intelligent systems that learn patterns from the data to make predictions or decisions without you explicitly telling them every single rule. Think predicting what a customer might buy or identifying things in images.
Okay. And after all that analysis and modeling, finding the insights, how do you make sure other people understand it?
That's the final piece mentioned, data visualization.
Right. Charts and graphs.
Exactly. Because finding something amazing in the data is great, but if you can't explain it clearly, it doesn't help much. Visualization turns those complex findings into a story people can actually grasp. Dashboards, charts, making it understandable.
Okay, so that